You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Wasn't really in the mood to do a workout, but we're going to spin anyway. You guys that run your iPhone watches, or whatever you run, make sure you set it. We're going to go manual as soon as I find it. And 3, 2, 1, start. I'm going to bump it down to about a resistance of 8. And we're just going to, this is what I do when I'm not in the mood to work out. I know that I still have to do it. I'll just get on here and just easy spin. So today, let's just crank out 300 calories. See if we can get it within 14-15 minutes and be done with it. Had a day off. Took the Harley for a ride. Wasn't really in the mood for a workout. But when you're used to doing it every day, it's hard to not do it. Like I said, nothing real hard. You know, when we come on here, I'm usually pushing pretty hard. Trying to show you guys how to keep your tempo up, get the maximum workout out of this machine. But then there's just times you want to get a workout in, you just don't feel like going hard. I'm still keeping my RPMs above 20. Heart rate's right around 140 now. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up on this. Hit the subscribe. Tell a friend. If you don't have a Max Trainer from Bowflex, use your elliptical. Run on a treadmill. Get your stationary bike. Hell, run in place if you want. Just come here and work out with me. We'll get you in, we'll get you out. Stay with the tempo no matter what you're on. You'll get the cardio up and burn some calories. If you want to buy one of these machines, you need to go over to Bowflex, where they have those pretty little models that's on these machines and your six-pack abs. But if you want to work out on one and work out hard, this is the channel to be at. I always post my control panel up in the corner so you can see what I'm doing. That way you can keep up with it, try to match it. Now if you're not at our level here, do it at your level. You can only maintain 10 RPMs, then stay there. But just do it. Sooner or later, you'll start getting up higher. It's not the easiest machine in the world. But the more you work at it, the easier it will be. Even with this easy spin, I'm still already starting to build up a sweat here. So, 4 minutes, 32 seconds, and we already got rid of 100 calories there. The reason why I go around that 20 RPMs or higher, because I discovered that at 20 RPMs, every 5 minutes, you can get 100 calories. So that's why I always set my goal. You'll hear me talk about the 300 calorie mark, because you can do it within 15 minutes. Now, your goal might be different, and that's fine. Even if your goal is 50 calories a day, just get on and do it. Anything's better than nothing. So since we're just spinning nice and easy, don't forget about hand position. Right now you see me down a little lower. This puts a little more pressure on your legs, but I think it works your biceps a little more. Or if you come up to the top, I think it helps your legs, works your triceps a little better, and also works the middle of your back a little better. It takes a lot of pressure off your legs. And I think you can get a quicker tempo like this. So, you know, you do have down bottom too. That's a lot of triceps. I'm not really comfortable with that one. We'll hold it for a few more minutes, a few more seconds, whatever it is. What else? You know, you do have your handles. You can let go of the handlebars. We have metal contacts down here. So if you don't have the heart monitor, you can see what your heart rate is anyway. You have your upper handlebars. And if you're hanging on here, there's controls on the top here. The same as on the front of your panel. So you don't have to keep reaching down. You can stabilize yourself and work controls for like the resistance and all up here. If you stay on my channel long enough, you'll see I'll come up with an exercise where for 1 minute, all legs, 1 minute, having our arms assist our legs. We make it up as we go. We don't want to do the same routine every day. That'll get boring. But quite honestly, the same routine every day will bring your body to a standstill, especially if you're trying to lose weight. For me, I've been doing the machine for so long, it's a matter of just staying healthy. I'm getting old now. I really don't, well, I can't say I don't care about the weight, but I maintain right where I am pretty comfortably all the time. I don't seem to get any complaints from my wife, so I think I'm doing all right. Isn't that right, honey?
No complaints.
She's in the background, doing her thing. That's another thing too, guys. You know, if you're living with someone, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, in order to do this and stay healthy, oh, by the way, we just passed 200 calories. We're not even 10 minutes yet. So, I do want to do a full 15 minutes. But, to get back to my point, it's good that your other half, how that works out with you, or at least supports what you're doing and gives you the time to do it. You know, and then you gotta return the favor, support what they're doing. So, me and my wife have learned real quick, and when she tries to work out, I'm a pain in the butt. So she prefers that I leave her alone. That's 10 minutes going by, 223 calories. So if I keep flapping my jaws, the next 5 minutes will go by and you won't even realize it. Don't you concentrate on your screen. Concentrate on my tempo and stay with me. Okay? Especially on the hard workouts that we do. You haven't heard me say it before. I like to use all the times in different kinds of races I've been in and where I was beaten as a tool. Get that image in your head. You're chasing that person down. Set the tempo. And on your machine, imagine that guy can't get away from you now. Okay? And the only thing you have to do is not quit. Just keep pumping it out. The reason why I tell you that is because in real life, whether it be a 5K race, a marathon, a bike race, a 100-yard dash, that person that you're racing, they're suffering just as much as you are. And if you just have the little extra ambition, desire, to keep pushing after that person, eventually that person's going to have to back down and conserve that energy. And when they do, you're right there with them. All right, 12 minutes into our 15-minute workout. We're at 270 calories. Heart rate's not ridiculous, 153. Real easy spin today. Resistance of 8. This is on the manual program, so the time just keeps on counting until we decide that it's done. Even at this easy pace, guys, always concentrate on that breathing I told you. Deep breath in, get that good oxygen down deep in those lungs. Don't let that lactic acid build up in your legs. "13 minutes. Now I keep saying this is an easy spin for you guys just starting. The money just got this kind of machine. This is not an easy spin. But this is the time that you got to make yourself stay at a steady pace with me. You can come all this way just to quit. Okay? If you do quit, it's going to make you mad. It's going to make you not want to get back on the machine. So just fight through it. We're past 300 calories. I've had people write me and tell me they never hit 300 calories on this machine until they watch my video. Guys, this is the tempo. If you want 300 calories, you gotta be within this tempo. Alright? You got less than a minute to go. Wait a minute, I was just sitting on the couch. I went from, I don't think I'm going to work out, to over 300 calories, not even 14 and a half minutes yet. And I'm wide awake now. okay? We got less than 30 seconds. Stay with it. Don't be like Addy Quiz, okay? On this channel, we run through our finish line. We don't stop before it. We got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 15 minutes, 337 calories. Nice and easy. Still build up a sweat. If you have your watches on, stop them. We'll see you.